Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to check your Safari version on a MacBook and how to see if an update is available. This is useful when a website asks for a newer browser version or when you want to make sure Safari is fully up to date. Start by opening Safari on your Mac. Once Safari is open, move to the top menu bar and click Safari. From the drop-down menu, choose About Safari. A small window will appear, and here you'll see the current Safari version installed on your Mac. This is the fastest way to check exactly which version you are using. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. If you only needed the version number, you can close the window here. But if you also want to know whether it is the latest version, the next step is to check for system updates, because Safari updates are usually included with macOS updates. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen, then choose About this Mac. From there, click Software Update. Your Mac will now check for available updates, which may take a few seconds. If an update is found, you may see options like Update Now or More Info. Click More Info if available to view what is included. If a Safari update is part of that macOS update, installing it will also update Safari to the newest version supported by your MacBook. You now know how to check your Safari version and update it on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.